Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing this look, so if y'all want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. Strobe light. This literally helps your face look glowy. Today I will be using it, and it's in shade 01, and I'll be adding that to my eyelids. And with the same brush that I was using to conceal my brows, I'm gonna go ahead and tap that product into my eyelid. Then I'm gonna grab like a fluffy brush and I'm gonna buff that into my eyelid, literally into my eyelid. Just so it could be like an even coat. Since I'm doing a really like simple, subtle look, I'm gonna go ahead and dip into my 35 OM. You know, it's like literally like a basic shade. This is where my brow bone is at, this shade, so I'm gonna start with that. Go ahead and dip that in that shade and just tap that on the top just to kind of set it. All right, the next shade we're gonna work on to the lid is this shade right here. It's like literally right across. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe M441. And I'm gonna apply that right there and work it in circular motions. And this is a little like date night simple glam. Grabbing like a tinier brush, and this is the B13 from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna tap into this brown mocha color. I'm gonna put that in the corner of my lid. In the corner of my lid. M506 using the NYX pigment and pigment 02. And with my finger, just gonna go ahead and dip in that shade. Damn it, I grabbed too much. I'm just gonna add this right there. I feel like it's way better when you put it with your finger, like you control the amount and like how much you want it to like be all there. Okay, so once we have that, we're gonna go back in the M506 brush and in this shade again. Right here, this brown. Now I'm gonna make like a little line connecting to the eyeshadow. So we already primed our faces, right? So honestly, I don't want to use my good foundation, so I will be using my Kat Von D foundation and Light Warm 43. And a beauty sponge, like the Vanity Light, not the Vanity Light, but like the one that you can take anywhere. As well as I bought a ring light and the counter for the top of the vanity, the whole ass big mirror. I bought the biggest one, like, and I wanted to buy the one with the Bluetooth, but they didn't have like a big Bluetooth one. I was like super sad. I would have bought it. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour. Don't judge me, I always say this because my stuff is literally so chewed up. It's so chewed up. Okay, so we go in all the colors and just like mix all of them, right? Let's do our foreheads. My forehead is huge, so if y'all relate, give it a thumbs up. Now I'm gonna draw like little paws like this. And for my nose, I will be doing a little circle. Whoa, it's a big ass circle. Kind of just like this. And yes, I do my foundation first, and then I apply the cream contour. I'm gonna go ahead and do my cheeks, and I do this right here, and I do this right here. As well my triple chin. And now to conceal, I'll be using the MAC concealer in shade NW10. Like this, right? Like a little doll. Like a baby doll. There. And just blend the concealer part. Grab like a flat top brush, and then you're gonna go ahead and go in the contour and blend it. So like here on my jawline, I'm blending it downward, and for my lips, I'm blending it up. The lower lip, I'm blending it up, and the lower lip, I'm blending it down. This, I'm blending it up to the cheekbone part. And for my forehead, I'll be pushing that up as well into my hairline. And for the nose, I'm gonna go in circular motions and blend that part. Adding the Too Faced powder. I literally need another powder that like brightens my under eyes, and this should be like my setting powder, because it's literally like a yellow. It says it's translucent, but I feel like it looks yellow on my skin. So we'll be applying that under the eye. On my chin. Tarte's Pro Glow palette and the shade Sculpt. And I'm gonna start from here and go upwards. Blush I will be using is in this little thing that I always show. I honestly have no idea what the name is, but it comes in like with this orange mice. And put it on the apples of my cheeks like this, and dip in some powder. And I'm gonna go straight up and straight down. And just grab your preferred mascara. The one I use is Too Faced. I really need to like change mascaras, because I've noticed that this specific one, like if I move my lashes too much, or like if I put a lot, it'll start what you call it, it'll start flaking off, and like it lands like on my foundation, and like when I try to like dust it off, everything just comes off. But for the sake of the video, we're gonna go ahead and use this. And you can finish here and like just add mascara and finish here, look cute. Sis, we're gonna go the extra mile and add some little lashes. Honestly, I love this Sinful lashes, and these are some cute lashes, and I like her basic lashes. This one's called Danger, and they're like so natural. The Oh Darling by MAC. Bomb. My tip of my nose, like right here. Whoop. Blinding. And I'm using the Jeffree Star. Okay, BEBAS. Okay, BEBAS. So I already put my little lashes on, and they look so cute. And I added bottom lash mascara, and I will be doing my lippies. Oh, I also added the highlight on here and the middle of my forehead and my upper lip. So I'm gonna go ahead and go and whirl. Gonna get the Cocoa K and a little Fenty Beauty moment. The finished look for a date night. It's a very simple, very easy. Anybody could do it. All you need is browns and a shimmer shade. Any shimmer shade. There's a lot of shimmer shades out here, and they're like super inexpensive. Or you can buy a palette that has browns and shimmer shades. Like, for example, this palette. It's the Anastasia Modern Renaissance. The Tarte Lit in Bloom from Tarte, as well as the Desi x Katie palette. I really like this look. It looks so cute. Make sure to subscribe down below. If you're not subscribed, become part of the family, and make sure to comment down below what you liked, what you didn't like, anything, and as well as go follow me on my social media. It'll be linked down below. And I really love this look, so I hope y'all really love this look. If y'all did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video. I will try to do more like simple glam, if that's what you want, but I also like doing like intricate things. It just makes me a better MUE, because I like doing like crazy looks. But if I guess more people want to see this kinds of looks, I'll do it for y'all, obviously. So I will see you on my next video. Bye guys, love y'all.